G'day guys, this is Carl from AllBrand Caravan. I'm just giving you a quick tip in relation to this brake safe unit and how it works and what you need to look out for. Now these units normally have a test button basically inside here, and it just says press basically, and what happens when you press that button, a green light should appear on the screen here, and that indicates that the battery is good. Now if you see a red light on here, it means your battery is low. And when you see no light at all, that means your battery is basically dead flat. Now what this unit does is it operates this brake safe pin. Now this brake safe pin normally gets hooked up to your car. So what happens is whenever your car gets detached from your van, this pin gets pulled and your electric brakes come on automatically via that battery. So when that battery is flat, this safety mechanism basically just doesn't work, and what happens is your caravan is pretty much a runaway vehicle. So what we'll do in this scenario is we'll change this battery, which is pretty easy, as you can see. This is the battery here, right? We've got a new battery in place. Whack this on there. Like so. We press our button, and as you can see, we have a green light there. So guys, very important, whenever you go traveling, make sure that this battery is nice and charged. It normally is charged off your car, but it can also be charged off your house batteries as well. And to tell if it's getting a charge, it's actually got a on charge light here, which is normally indicated by an orange light. And when you see that, that means your battery's getting charged. So if that's getting charged, then you should be all good basically, but very important, make sure you press that button to make sure that your lights and your battery's nice and healthy. And then from there, you should be all good. If you have any comments, leave them in the comments below, and have a good day.